Okay, now we've got a stall called Kodas here. There's not many people here, which means I'm going to talk to Mr. Koda. Okay, so my friend, what's your name, sorry?
Daniel.
Daniel, right, this is Daniel, yeah, and he is running something called Kodas. Tell me about Kodas.
Right, Kodas is basically 3D printing, so the very heart of it is 3D printing. So we've got things along here, so like components for RC, accessories, drone pilots, all that sort of stuff. Just little things that you need 3D printed. If you're not ready to print yourself, then you can just it's basically accessories. But on the other side of things, I've also got, which is my main thing, is printing drones, 3D printed drones. This one is designed for emergency service plans, just things like that. That's essentially Kodas in a nutshell.
Well, I'll tell you what, Daniel, is it Dan or Daniel?
Dan.
Dan, I'll tell you, Dan, I'm a drone pilot. I've got my drone in my bag today.
Oh, wow, brilliant.
All being well, I'm going to Holy Stone. We can talk about it later.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. All being well, I'm going to fly when they cease flying here.
Right,
but
okay.
3D printed. I mean, how about that then? 3D printed drones, right? So Dan here designs them. Yeah, obviously puts the brushless in. They're quadcopters, yeah, and 3D printed drones. That means, okay, if you had a custom idea, and it's a bit like the A-Team, if you can afford them, yeah, right, okay, this guy's your man. Say you want a custom drone, maybe he could design it and build one for you, yeah, maybe?
One of the arms of the company is going to be custom drone building, so definitely.
Yeah. Now, in all of it, he does. What's your website?
Kodas Aviation.
Come a bit closer.
sorry.
Come out into the light. Come out into the light.
I'm in the light.
Yeah.
It's kodasaviation.com.
Okay, so kodasaviation.com. You get through to Dan here, yeah, and anything you need 3D printed, which I had a bit of a discussion with somebody going back a while ago, and I would say it's the future of model kits.
Definitely.
Because let me tell you, all this cardboard boxes and all that with the environment, oh no. What will happen is you'll go online, you'll see a picture of your 1/72nd scale, I don't know, Mark 1 Spitfire, and what you then do is 3D printing in its infancy at the moment. I mean, you've got boffins like Dan here doing it, yeah? Now, in all of it, that will then come into the mainstream. It's not in the mainstream at the moment. And 3D printing will be in the mainstream. And when it is, you'll go on to Model Kit site or Amazon or whatever, you'll pick your plane, and then what you do is you literally download and you print your sprue with all your parts on. And I would say that's the future of it.
Definitely.
What do you reckon, Dan? Yeah,
No, that's definitely the future.
Yeah, absolutely. It is the future. And people like Dan, see, he's going to be a multi-millionaire sat on one of these yachts in Monaco.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And he won't want to know any of us. Nice to meet you, Dan. Let's
Yeah, and you.
get the website on there again.
It's kodasaviation.com.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Thanks.